If you are looking for some new lounge chair cushions, these ones right here are great. These were sent for my review, and when I first opened the box, I was a little bit confused because all I could see was white, and I was like, I thought these were going to be blue. So you do need to know that they actually come compressed. So this is the cushion, and you're actually going to get, you're going to get 4 different cushions because this is actually in 2 different parts. So check this out. Ooh, let me turn this around here. Super easy to put in. You just have the zipper right here. So you have the longer cushion, and then you have the shorter cushion, and you have another zipper right up here. I do kind of like that they're separated because it just kind of makes it bend a lot easier. Sometimes when it's just one full piece, they don't bend properly. So the fact that you have that, I think, is really nice. I do also like that the cover here has this little section of the anti-slip right here. So it's not going to constantly be slipping and sliding all over the place. You do also, of course, have the little ties right here that you can tie on the side. You have them here and you have them up on the top. So of course they're not going to blow off, which is really nice. And this is a 2-pack. And the thing I think that surprised me the most, so it does come with this, but it also comes with this big black cover where you get 2 of these, and this is actually a cover to go over them. So this will go over your actual lounge chair so that these will stay protected. Of course, these cushions can get wet. You know, most of the time people have these by their pool. It can get rained on, but having something like this is just really going to help it, especially with some sun damage over time. So if you're looking for some new pool cushions, they do come in lots of different colors as well.